one of the newer communities in Lakewood Ranch, Florida, where parents drive the golf carts to the pool and kids meet up at the playground. This place is jumping with plenty to do. My name's Nicole Smith and welcome to my Lakewood Ranch series, where I take you on a tour of 1 and 41 and counting communities in the #1 multi-generational community of Lakewood Ranch, Florida. And I'm here to give you all the information you need so that you can make the best decision for you. And stick with me, because towards the end of each video, I make sure and take you on a tour of one of the homes that are available within each community. So today we are visiting Sweetwater. Now, Sweetwater is located in just the northeastern part of Lakewood Ranch and our villages that we have here. And it makes it a great distance from all of the University Town Center Mall. You're probably like 20 minutes from that. And then you're about 40 minutes to Siesta Key Beach, our world famous #1 voted beach. And then we're also getting a new Publix, and that's probably just maybe 1.5 miles, 2 miles up the road. So there's a lot happening here. It's a really convenient location. People that live here love how close it is to some of the top rated schools. You could either walk, bike, or take a bus, or of course commute. It's super short commute to top rated schools from elementary all the way up to high school. And it's just overall, the location of this is what makes it really popular. Now the vibe here is really laid back but fun. You have a lot of different families and people, and if you want somewhere that you can lock up and go, this is a gated community, so it does have 24/7 gated security at the front. Now this particular community is also ideal if you're looking for maintenance free, because everything is included here in your HOA, your lawn care, your exterior maintenance, all of it. So it really is a great way if you're looking for that maintenance free vibe. Now this community was started in about 2022-23, so these are all fairly new, and they only have maybe a very small handful, 3 or 4 lots available if you want to pick your lot, but they're still very new here. And there's about 223 acres that we're sitting on here, and total of 500 homes between single family homes and villas. Now leases are allowed here, but you're looking at a 6-month minimum, so they discourage short-term rentals here, but you can rent out your property if you choose with a 6-month minimum lease. So to wrap up, this community is really active. They've got tons of amenities, which I'll show you here in a bit, where you can either do lots of fun things or just lay back and relax. This is really where you come to enjoy life, soak up the sun, and take advantage of all the things that Lakewood Ranch has to offer. Real quick, I help families like you all the time who are looking to relocate to the Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch, Florida area. So make sure and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss another valuable video. Let's get back to it. So now let's talk about the amenities you have access to here at Sweetwater. Of course, you have the resort pool, which is the heart of these communities, and there are actually 2 here. You have one for the single family residential section and one for the villa section. Then you also have plenty of ball courts, from basketball courts to pickleball courts, and then there's also a field for some soccer game or meetup playtime. There's also a festival lawn with an amphitheater, and the neat thing about this area as well, or this community actually, is that you will also there's a full-time lifestyle coordinator who's constantly making sure there's fun things to do for people of all ages and all lifestyles here. So you might have a bingo night, and then you'll have a fall festival. There's loads of fun here. And one of my favorite things is just how walkable everything is. You feel safe letting your kids ride the bike on the sidewalk, or if you want to ride on the sidewalk, or if you want to take your dog for a walk, there's plenty of sidewalk and safe places to walk, including a dog park. So again, to recap, this is a totally maintenance-free community with plenty of fun things to do and super lively activities going on throughout the year. Now, there is only one builder here in Sweetwater, and that is MI Homes. And one of my favorite things about MI Homes is they have certain elevated quality or upgrades that come standard in their homes, and that includes their upgraded windows, storm grade windows, the marble windowsill grills, they have tankless water heaters, and this is a gas community as well. Now, homes here, you have two options. You have villas, which are side by side with one party wall, and then you have your single family residential, which are 1 to 2 stories, depending on how much room you need. And lots here for the single family residential are 52 feet wide. Now, all the homes here pretty much start at 1,400 square feet and go up from there. You also get two options with your finishes or the look of your home. There's the British West Indies kind of style, and then there's the craftsman style. Your HOA fees here, that covers everything, including your lawn maintenance, range from $275 to about $370 a month, depending again on which home, whether you have a large single family or the villas. And there is a CDD fee here. It's about $1,370 to $1,500 a year, and then you do have a one-time capital contribution on purchase of $750. Now, villas here start in the kind of a mid to upper 300 range, and then your single family homes start in the mid to upper 700 ranges, depending. Now, I do know again, there's only a few lots left, so more than likely by the time you may be interested in this community, we will be in the resale. So there'll be more options to choose from as far as floor plans and location within the community. And I'm super excited to share today with you a model home here in Sweetwater. So today I want to introduce you to the Calusa model here in Sweetwater. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home at 2,195 square feet with a 2-car garage. I want you to pay extra attention to some of the details that MI Homes loves to add in, such as the upgraded countertops, some special touches with windowsills and door framing, and just the upscale overall feel with flooring and that luxurious higher quality finish that you get with MI Homes. Don't forget, they do come with tankless water heaters and the storm-proof windows, so you can feel extra safe. And of course, you'll have your choice of whether it's a preserve or a waterfront lot. Let's go take a look at this beautiful Calusa model. Well, there was Sweetwater at Lakewood Ranch. Gated, maintenance-free, and the resort life. From villas to single-family homes, this place was built for active families or the empty nesters alike. Now, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And of course, remember to subscribe, hit those notifications so you don't miss another valuable video. And until then, I'll see you on the next one.